Hello everyone, my name is Kelly and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you my tips on how to wear and take care of contact lenses for first-time wearers. Then I will try on some color contact lenses I received from TTDEYE as a gift. Let's get started with the first and most important step. Always wash your hands thoroughly before handling the lenses. You don't want to get eye infection right the first time you wear contacts. Next step, you need to soak the lenses in the contact solution at least 6 hours before putting them on your eyes for the first time. When you buy your contact lenses, they always come with a contact case like this. Before transferring the lenses to the case, remember to rinse the case with the contact solution first, then also rinse the lens one by one. Put the lens in the palm of your hand, apply the contact solution, rinse and gently rub it. After that, put the lens in the case and pour the solution into the case until it totally covers the lens, then close the lid. You have to do this step as you never know how long they've been sitting in the old solution. Never use tap water to soak or rinse your lenses. Only use the contact solution to clean, disinfect, and store the lenses. Never reuse the contact solution. This might lead to an eye infection. After soaking the lenses overnight or at least 6 hours, now you can wear them. Remove one of the lenses from the case. I use the tweezers to pick up a lens and put it onto the tip of my index or middle finger on my dominant hand. Or you can put it on the suction stick, then insert. Always use your fingertips rather than your nails to handle the lens to prevent scratching or tearing. If you have long nails, you can use the tweezers and the suction stick that come with the lenses to insert and remove them. If you drop it, rinse it with the contact solution again before trying to put it on your eye. Then always check for torn or damaged spots on the lens and make sure it's right side out. Reverse the lens if it isn't. Now I hold my upper eyelid open with my non-dominant hand while looking in the mirror and pull down my lower eyelid with the middle or ring finger of my dominant hand, then insert the lens. You need to keep your eyes still and wide open for easy application. While the contact lens is on your eye, try not to blink immediately. Roll it to help the lens settle properly first, then gently blink a few times. If it hasn't settled yet, when you blink, it will fall out. You can look up to the ceiling to prevent falling out. If the lens is inserted and centered, your eye should feel comfortable and your vision should be clear. If you feel discomfort or your vision is blurry, you need to take out, rinse, and reinsert the lens. Once you've got the first one in, repeat the process with the other lens. If your eyes just keep blinking, look up, down, or to the side may help. Make sure your fingers are dry so they're not slippery and can keep your eyelids in place. After putting both the lenses on your eyes, discard the old solution and rinse the case with the new solution, then let it air dry and ready for the next use. Now to remove the lenses, always make sure your hands are clean. Just like when I inserted, I hold my upper eyelid open and pull down the lower eyelid. Then I gently pinch the lens with the pads of my index finger and thumb to remove it from my eye. Never use your nails. If you have long nails, you can use the tweezers to remove the lens. Always clean your lens immediately after you remove it. I put the lens in the palm of my hand, apply the contact solution, rinse and gently rub it in circles for about 10 to 15 seconds to clean the lens surfaces. Then discard the solution and do it again until I feel clean. I do wear contact lenses with makeup, so I usually rinse them a few times to make sure there's no makeup products stuck in the lens. If you wear daily disposable lenses, throw them away after removal. After that, I put it in the case and pour the solution until it totally covers the lens. Then close the lid tight. Do it one by one. Don't take both sides out and clean them at the same time, as you don't want to mix them up and it can cause cross-contamination. Now you know how to insert and remove the lenses. Let's try on the contact lenses from TTDEYE. My natural eye color is dark brown, and the lenses I choose are for different colors. 2 of them have no outer ring and 2 of them have the outer ring. First, I have the amber brown. Here's how it looks on one side of my eye, and here's how it looks on both eyes. It looks kinda orangey in the case, but it's definitely brown on my eyes. The color blends really well with my eye color, and from a distance, you cannot tell that I'm wearing contacts. This color looks really natural on my eyes. It turns my eye from dark brown to light brown. It's very comfortable and suitable for everyday wear. Next, I have the Polar Lights Gray. Here's how it looks on one side of my eye, and here's how it looks on both eyes. These are the brightest lenses out of the 4. You definitely can tell I'm wearing lenses from the distance. If you want a noticeable color on dark brown eyes, this is the one for you. I personally won't wear this every day, but I can see myself wearing them when I want my eye makeup to pop more. Moving on, I have the Daisy Blue. Here's how it looks on one side of my eye, and here's how it looks on both eyes. The outer ring usually makes your eyes look bigger, but I don't see my eyes getting any bigger when I'm wearing these. When I choose this color, I didn't think this would suit my dark brown eyes because blue. I thought it would be nice when I want to enhance my eye makeup, but somehow the color goes really well with my eyes color. And I also love the effect it gives my eyes. They look really cool, so I like this more than the Polar Lights Gray. And here's the last pair, Your American Green Gray. Here's how it looks on one side of my eye, and here's how it looks on both eyes. This pair also has the outer ring. I also don't see my eyes getting bigger. It looks very natural from a distance and in natural lighting. It blends so well with my eye color. I don't see any green on my eyes though. It looks more light gray. It's very subtle and flattering on my eyes. I've been wearing these lenses for a few weeks now. The lenses are very comfortable, easy to wear, and the color range is amazing. If you are interested in buying these lenses from TTDEYE, I will have all the links in the description box below, and you can use my code for 15% off your order. Last but not least, your eyes and your vision are very important, so please take your time to follow the instructions and take good care of your eyes and your lenses. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like if you do, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye!